In India, Siemens passive division came in initially with the joint venture with ACC and with West Bengal Electronics to make soft ferrite cores. They also decided to take over the capacitor business of Asian Electronics in Nashik. Later on, it became Epcos India in 2005. Epcos India is ISO 9002 certified, also has TS certification.
We were doing a lot of activities from outsourcing. Now we were entirely depend on some external suppliers, vendors, and also did not match to our essential requirements. So it was very important to build up a team and to come up with a software like synchronous technology and build up the modules with that in terms of designs, in terms of process synchronization, in terms of quality improvement. So these are the clear reasons. That's why we went ahead with solid edge synchronous technology.
Today, customers of Epcos need very fast changes, and for that, to keep pace with such fast requirements, we have to have a very good platform like Siemens Solid Edge, which really helps us.
Design for us is the aspect of considering it from the beginning phase, so that design goes hand in hand with the processes also. We have a very skilled and educated, quite focused design team, and they are quite sufficiently using this solid edge synchronous technology.
Epcos globally in film capacitors division is world number one in terms of market share, and we are driving the technology from Epcos India here.
Our capacitors go into all the white goods. It's easy to find their mechanical and electrical connectivity with dynamism of changing these parts within the solid edge synchronous technology. Then it reduces our time, it improves our productivity of designs, and also I can say becomes more poka-yoke. It's like a more clear design in front of you happening in a solid form, which we practically do. At Epcos, 100% of our designs are done by using solid edge synchronous technology. Creating models with synchronous technology has been a quite ease for us. The parent-child relation, what the function is there in this is quite helpful. It eases the correlation of components into the assemblies. Then import and exports of the files is much smooth and easy. And the most important aspect comes the live editing or the dynamic editing on the components itself. This all helps us to reduce the time frames.
Redesigning a product but also simulating what the new product would finally deliver is the need of the hour, and that's where Siemens Solid Edge synchronous technology can help us to be one step ahead than competition.
Considering our experience with Solid Edge technology, we really would like to appreciate this software, and I also recommend it to the other industries which are trying to build up their design teams, coming up with projects and implementing them with the time pressure and cost pressures.
I would strongly recommend Siemens Solid Edge synchronous technology to help every industry to keep pace with the ever fast changing requirements.